Hey, this is Rabbi Pinny in Houston reporting from the Chabad Harvey relief efforts where 50 rabbis came together to offer our support and spiritual care for a community that was devastated by this terrible hurricane.
See the car here? That car, the roof of the car was gone. You couldn't see the car, the roof of the car. I called my son and I said to him, David, I said, I don't think I'm going to make it out of here. I said, the water's coming up. I can't go outside. It's a raging river. Right? No place to go inside. The next thing I was going to do was go up and my son Michael in New York, and my son David, and they started calling everybody, but you couldn't get through to 911. And when I finally got through, I got through the fire department. They said, we got thousands of calls. You know,
Wait.
Yeah, I didn't know what to do. I said, what do I do? What do I do? When Mashiach comes, we shall all be together again.
Amen.
Michelle,
Chabad bringing joy around the world.
A Jewish agency for the people who need assisted living. We're actually going up to the second floor. As you can see, the bottom floor is completely doesn't exist anymore. We're going to go upstairs and try to entertain.
I just want to tell you that we came here to cheer you up, but really seeing your smiles.
We are cheered!
I want to tell you.
He became
I was walking out and seeing all these sad faces. You guys meant so much. You inspire us, and now you cheered us up. So thank you. Thank you.
Where are you?
Who would like to hear Rabbi Hindouzi sing "The Hills Are Alive"?
Rabbi,
the sound of music.
The hills are alive.
By the sound of music.
Oh, say
Shalom b'Ramam, Hu Yaseh Shalom Aleinu, Kol Yisrael v'Imru Amen. Yaseh Shalom.
blessed with a year of happiness and good health. Let's sing along. David.
Oh, just take it.
Avinu Malkeinu, Aneinu Malkeinu, Avinu Malkeinu, Aneinu Malkeinu, Yevanu B'Hazeh, Azeh Yivanu, Chiribim bam bim bam bim bam chiribim. Have a happy, healthy, and sweet New Year.
Everybody should be
love,
gesund.
Our love from Florida to you guys. May you all be healthy and live long lives.
Amen.
Have nachas from your children,
Grandchildren.
and grandchildren, and great-grandchildren, and great-great-grandchildren. And may you celebrate at all their simchas in good health.
Amen.
Regardless of race, color, or creed, the Chabad Rabbis rolled up our sleeves and we got to work, helping family, young and old, with whatever needs they needed, from cleanup to spiritual support. It was incredible. We really saw the difference we made. The beginning of the day started very solemn, but at the end of the day, we walked into an old age home and cheering up those elder citizens, seeing the smiles on their face, we realized how much a difference we made, and it really made our trip to Houston very meaningful.